good as new. What it do, baby? Ooh. Y'all see that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dana Alexia. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm super excited about this new launch. They also sent me the new Hydrating Primer. If you guys do know that they did have an original foundation and primer, but they were both a soft matte formula. And if you were somebody that had a little bit more, not a little bit more, if you were more on the normal to dry, I mean normal, it could kind of work, but if you have normal to dry skin, certain areas, it wasn't the best fit. And I can definitely vouch for that because I do have normal to dry skin as well. As much as I did enjoy using the foundation and my review was very, very positive, it went really well. When I do wear it, my skin looks good. I will say the formula wasn't the best match for my skin type, and I've said this in a few videos when I have worn the foundation or I've talked about it. For some reason, whenever I wear the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, I have trouble getting it to seamlessly blend in the nose area, like the crevice area. It's like separating. I would end up mixing the foundation with something, and I mean, I don't really want to have to do that. So lucky enough, they came out with something that works for girls like me, or just people like me. I didn't know this, and I actually haven't seen anybody else state this in their reviews, but it's a new hydrating formula with grapeseed oil and sodium hyaluronate. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. In a natural finish that's perfect for normal to dry skin. And it comes in the same 50 shades as the original soft matte. I think we would all expect that. And they also sent me the kabuki brush and the precision makeup sponge, which I've used so many times on my channel. So I'm actually not going to be using that today. I mean, I already know it works really good, but I wanted to try out the kabuki brush. If you guys are wondering about the cost, it does retail for $35 US. I think that's everything for this intro. Obviously, you guys can already see it on my face, so hello. Obviously, if you guys are interested in seeing this full review, the finished look again, and a wear test, which I will be adding to the end of this video as well, then just keep watching. Alright, so first of all, I don't know what's going on with my MacBook. I just got a brand new MacBook because the last one I had some water damage. It was working still for like 2 months, and then on the weekend it just gave up on me and stopped turning on, so I had to get a whole new MacBook. So I just had to reinstall the whole Canon utility app so that I can use my MacBook as my viewfinder. That's how I film my videos, or like my monitor. And now it's making this noise, like the fan, or I don't know what you call it, but I'm sorry if it's loud. It's annoying me too. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm super, super excited to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Pro Filter Foundation. I definitely did not say that in the right order, but that's what it's called. Okay, they actually sent me 4 shades. Thank you so much, Fenty Beauty, by the way. The first shade they sent is 345, and then they sent me 360. I think I used 360 in the concealer. And then they sent me 370, the first foundation that Fenty Beauty ever came out with, which is the only other one that they have. I'm the shade 370, so this is like my original shade, I should say. But to be honest, I've said this before, I'm not the biggest fan of the formula just because I have normal to dry skin. Actually, I'm like dry combination. And then they also sent me 380, so to be honest, I do want to swatch all of them just to find the best match. I feel like it probably is going to be 370. This is my first time seeing the packaging. This is cute. It's obviously actually not a lot smaller than the soft matte one. Same size, it's just, I don't know. It's cute, it's plastic, nice little packaging. I'm gonna go in with this one. Ugh. Can I look? Oh, this is actually a pretty good match. My viewfinder's on this side, so I can't see. That's dumb. But it actually looks like it's a pretty... It's a pretty good match. Why have I not, like, I don't know, when I the foundation first came out, this one never, I don't know, they never matched me to this one. Or I don't know. Okay, so that's 345. Let's try 360. Okay, this one is a lot more neutral. Okay, that's definitely not my shade. Let me put 345 right beside it, so y'all can see that. 360, 345. I should have did it in order, but it's okay. Here is 370. Okay. Okay, 370 is just a little bit more orange than 345. I'm just gonna try 380 just so we can see. Oh girl, no. Honestly, I want to try 345 today. If it's not working for me, I'll just add in 370 on top. But I want to go with 345 today. So, all right, so I'm gonna go in with the hydrating primer. Oh, I forgot. You gotta like wait a little bit. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and just get that. Okay. So as you guys can see, it is. Oh wow, my mirror this whole time. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this everywhere. I'm cringing at the way I'm applying my primer right now, honestly. Get it on everywhere. I'm just gonna put my whole back of my hand on my cheek. Definitely have to get that nose area. I was a pretty big fan of the soft matte primer, so I'm hoping that the hydrating one is just as good, if not better. Maybe this is what my skin needs, so not maybe, I think this is. And then I'm just gonna do right here. Put that there. Why do I feel so weird right now? Okay, I think that's good. Let's go in with the brush. I do need a smaller like mirror or something. I'm definitely not used to applying foundation with a brush. If you couldn't tell, it feels so awkward because I'm just, I don't know. Blending out with a sponge I feel like is a lot faster, but it's blending out really, really well. I'm already loving how this looks. This is one layer in, as you guys can see. It's literally like second skin. Literally. I don't want a foundation that's just flat out full coverage, because some days I like to be medium, some days I like to be full. I like to be in control of how much coverage I want for the day, so I'm gonna go in with another layer, which is not a problem for me. And I gotta make sure over here. So let me just go ahead and take a peek. Yeah, it's actually all smoothed out there, so we don't have that problem with this one. I will say that this is definitely a foundation that you have to set. I mean, I set mine whether it's matte or dewy or radiant or whatever. I set everything, okay? But if you are somebody that, you know, like, not everybody bakes or not everybody like sets their stuff. If you're somebody that just wears like foundation, some light concealer, and whatever other minimal things you do to your face, and you don't really like care for setting powder, I mean, you're probably gonna still have to set this, so I'm just saying. So for concealer, I mean, it's only right to go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, the instant retouch concealers. I haven't used this in a while, so honestly I'm gonna go in with 360 just a little bit to see. Yeah, it's like this is, even for like my everyday makeup looks, I still don't use shades like this, okay? I like to highlight, okay? I like to brighten up, and yeah. So I'm gonna go in with 330 and put that. Y'all know where to highlight, you know, just put it everywhere you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this bad boy. I do have the setting powder as well. I actually, whose video was I watching? Makeup Shayla. So I just assumed, I think everyone that uses yellow setting powders, if you're around my shade or even a little bit deeper, we just assumed that banana was our shade because like we use banana powders or banana colored setting powders. But cashew, as Makeup Shayla said, is actually a way better match, which I need to get my hands on that shade just because banana's not really like banana. Like it's like, I don't know, like it's very, it's a lot lighter and I don't know. But I'm gonna go in with this just because I want to see. It's not bad, so let's just, oh, this eye is creasing so bad. Let me just like, okay, it's looking a little dry, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not used to using the setting powder. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, you guys know I use Huda Beauty every single day. So I'm just gonna go in with that. I was also kind of expecting to go a little bit darker with the foundation because I did get tanned. Okay guys, I'm back. Let me just check what time I finished doing my makeup so I can let you guys know, but obviously this is what it's looking like right now. Wow, my phone is gonna die. 1 second. Okay, I basically finished my makeup at 9, basically 9 o'clock. It's 11:27. So this is what it's looking like. I think this is as close as we can, yeah, this is as close as we can get, but I mean, it's perfect. Well, not perfect that my battery died, but that actually allowed me to give my foundation time to really settle in and oxidize. To be real, like I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. This might be like, not might, it's probably gonna be my new favorite everyday foundation. Not even just like, well, yeah, every day, even when it's like super glam, because this is a super glam look. You guys know my everyday, my glam looks are pretty neutral glam. I'm soft glam queen. So I really, really, really like my base and how flawless it is looking. Also, my smile lines, as of recently, I don't know if it's what I've been, I don't know, okay? I don't know what it is, but my smile lines, it doesn't take 2 hours for my smile lines to come out anymore. Within the time I'm still at home after getting ready and doing my makeup, I already have smile lines if I'm already starting to talk, and I don't know, it's ridiculous. I've had this foundation on now for 2 hours, and as you guys can see, let me move this mirror. As you guys can see, there's like minimal creasing. I'm gonna crease regardless, but usually by now my makeup starts separating, and I don't have that right now. Like, so I don't know if it's just like a good makeup day. I mean, it definitely is. Hello, look at my face is beat, but I don't know if it's just a good makeup day in terms of my smile lines doing well. But I actually, whoo, sorry, my nose is itchy. It's 11:31. My girl's about to come over. We're just gonna, you know, probably have some wine and just chill, watch a movie, eat. And I'm gonna check in with you guys right before I take off my makeup. I'm gonna try to stretch it for as long as I can. I'm gonna probably check in with you guys around 2-3 a.m. just so we can see what this face is looking like, because typically on a regular basis I wear my makeup for like 5-6 hours, 7 sometimes, if I'm still out. But yeah, I was sitting here curling my hair, I was cleaning, I was in the bathroom, and I just really got to see my face in every mirror in my house, and I was just like, yo, this looks really, really good. Like my skin, like she looks really good. The color looks really, really good. This is, I am a little bit more tan. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of this video, but I have this whole tan going on right here, like this, like crazy. I'm in love. So yeah, Fenty, you did that. Yeah, so I'm gonna check in with you guys in a bit, and we're gonna see what this face is looking like. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is clearly not the same day that I filmed this video originally. I ended up falling asleep, I'm so sorry. Well, not really, because I mean, we're still watching the same video, but I'm just like, why not just do it today, because I am wearing the same foundation and I've been wearing it for quite some time. I started doing my makeup at 2 p.m. today, and it is 11:13 p.m. so I've had this foundation on for 9 hours. I mean, we already know it's definitely not a mattifying foundation, so you are definitely gonna get dewy and oily and greasy, which is fine for me. I don't really get oily anywhere else except for my T-zone and like the front of my cheeks. This area right here, I get very thin. Honestly, after 9 hours of wearing makeup, I'm usually a lot more oily on my nose. Oh, actually, let me just flip this mirror. So typically by now, like, the foundation would be breaking up on my nose, and it's not. I do have foundation breaking apart right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get close. Y'all see that? But it looks really, really good. I want to show you guys what it would look like if you were to touch it up. I would use setting powder or the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So I'm gonna grab this powder brush and just like. Also, okay, my smile. I forgot to tell you guys. What do you guys think about my smile lines? Because I know you guys have seen worse. I've definitely seen worse. I need to know what I did so well today. I did add a little bit of extra primer, so that could be why. I practically don't really have any. Like, for me, this is nothing. This is literally nothing for me right now. Okay. Yeah, looking good as new. What it do, baby? Ooh. I'm shocked. I'm very, very shocked. Actually, I forgot I have a little FaceTime date, so I'm not taking this off yet. But yo, 9 hours, like, I don't know. I mean, y'all see it. You hate to see it. Sorry, I just wanted to say that so bad. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm pretty sure I filmed my outro to this video as well. But anyways, let me know how you guys like the foundation if you have already tried it. I was using the 345 foundation on Instagram Live, and I think one or two people said that it's not my, like, the 345, the one that I use now, isn't my color, but I think it is. So I don't know. Let me know. Obviously you guys can, like, see me on the screen. I can only see myself on, like, a little tiny screen right now on my monitor. But yeah, let me know if y'all think I should stick with using 345 or should I go back to 370. I don't know, I'm gonna try mixing. I do have some new content coming out. I have try on hauls, I have a birthday get ready with me, I have another get ready with me for the Burna Boy concert. I have, just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe so you can see everything, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!